The HotSpring Envoy Spa is our biggest single lounger premium spa with a number of unique features. The measurements are 254 by 231 and 97 centimeters high. It has 5 wide seats, all leading to a massage experience like no other. This model offers 2 Moto-Massage jet seats and a total of 55 jets. The captain's seat in the corner offers wrist and full foot massage. The Highlife models had a sleek modern design with a choice of 5 different cabinet colors and 5 different shell colors. Visually, it's beautiful with lighting both on the inside and on the outside. The water filtration is carried out with the help from 5 Tri-X filters and optional the integrated freshwater salt system. A cleaning system that offers you soft, crystal clear water that lasts up to 1 year between each filling. From the remote control, you can access all features like jets, lights and cleaning cycles in your spa, plus any accessory you add to your spa, like Bluetooth music system. The Envoy Spa is like no other. You'll love it.